Hey crypto comrades! Ever stared at a mountain of fiat currency, itching to convert it into the glorious world of digital assets, but felt stuck at the first hurdle? Fear not, fellow traveler, because today we're tackling the question that plagues many a crypto newbie: how do I link my bank account to Gemini? Now, Gemini is a fantastic platform for buying, selling, and storing your favorite cryptocurrencies. But before you can unleash your inner Satoshi Nakamoto and start building your digital portfolio, you gotta get those funds flowing. That's where linking your bank account comes in. It's the bridge between your traditional finance world and the exciting realm of crypto. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a smooth and straightforward journey to linking your bank account to Gemini. Cut to screencast with narrator voiceover. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Gemini account. If you haven't created one yet, don't worry, the process is quick and painless. Just head over to Gemini's website and follow the prompts. Once you're in your account dashboard, look for the magic words, Settings or Account. There, you should find a glorious section titled Payment Methods. This is your gateway to linking your bank account. Highlight Payment Methods on screen. Now, there are two main ways to achieve this linkage. The first option utilizes a little something called Plaid. Now, Plaid is a trusted third-party service that acts as a secure bridge between your bank and Gemini. Using Plaid allows you to link your account by entering your bank login credentials directly within the Gemini platform. Sounds convenient, right? Show animation of secure bridge. Here's the beauty of Plaid: it eliminates the need for you to manually enter all those pesky bank account details. Plus, security is paramount, so Plaid uses the highest level of encryption to keep your information safe. Show checkmark for security. But hey, some folks prefer a bit more control over their online credentials. That's perfectly understandable. If you'd rather not use Plaid, there's a second option: manual linking. This method involves you entering your bank account and routing numbers directly into Gemini's system. It's a simple process, but make sure you double-check those numbers to avoid any hiccups. Show entering bank details on screen. Narrator voiceover returns. Once you've chosen your linking method, follow the on-screen instructions. It might involve a quick verification step from your bank, but that's just another layer of security to ensure everything's on the up and up. Show green checkmark for successful linking. And voila! Your bank account is now successfully tethered to your Gemini account. Now you can deposit that sweet fiat currency and start exploring the vast world of crypto. Cut back to live action host. There you have it, folks. Linking your bank account to Gemini is a breeze. Remember, Gemini offers a variety of deposit methods, so you can choose what works best for you. Whether it's bank transfers, wire transfers, or even ACH transfers, for our US viewers, Gemini has you covered. Show Gemini logo with supported deposit methods. Now, with your bank account linked, the world of crypto awaits. Explore different currencies, delve into DeFi protocols, do your research first, though, or simply hold onto your assets for the long term. The possibilities are endless. Quick montage of crypto-related visuals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.